Good morning. I hope you're all doing well. Today for spelling, we're going to do our spelling test. This week we are using chapter 4 words. So when you're looking in your spelling book online, we're in chapter 4, okay? So get your pencil ready and or a pen and then number your list 1 to 25. 1 to 25. All right, here we go. First word, although. Although it was raining, Dave took a tour of the fertile valleys. Although. Word 2, coca. Coca is grown in plantations that are situated in river valleys. Coca. Number 3, envelope. Dr. Schmidt placed the survey results in an envelope. Envelope. Word 4, icicle. As the weather turned warmer, an icicle fell off a tree branch. Icicle. Word 5, midnight. The geologist's lecture on river erosion ended at midnight. Midnight. Word 6, thoroughly. Becca thoroughly understood the lecture on the formation of valleys. Thoroughly. Word 7, motivate. What will motivate you to study the different effects of erosion? Motivate. Word 8, lightning. Lightning was seen during the thunderstorm in the canyon. Lightning. Word 9, ideal. The ideal agent in shaping and forming valleys is rivers. Ideal. Word 10, groceries. Les brought some groceries before his hike through the canyon. Groceries. Word 11, decided. The geological team decided to survey the structure of the canyon. Decided. Word 12, admire. We will admire the view of the canyon from mountain summit. Admire. Word 13, glacier. Risa learned that a glacier can carve the landscape. Glacier. Word 14, basin. The Continental Divide is a drainage basin in North America. Basin. 15, valley. A valley can be completely surrounded by higher ground. Valley. 16, deepest. Can you name the deepest valleys in the world? Deepest. 17, terraces. Terraces can be cut by powerful forces of a rushing river. Terraces. Word 18, gorges. One of the most famous gorges in the world is the Grand Canyon. Gorges. Word 19, broadest. The Mississippi River flows through one of the broadest river valleys. Broadest. Word 20, proverb. The fifth graders will be discussing each proverb in the Bible. Proverb. Word 21, verbal. Amy gave a verbal description of the valley's terrain. Verbal. 22, proceeded. Dr. Kern will, proceed. Dr. Kern will proceed with his lecture on valleys. Proceed. 23, recede. The canyon community hopes that the river waters will soon recede. Word 24. This is one of your challenge words. Word 24. Structure. There is a high structure being built behind my house. Structure. Word 25. Achiever. The student was a high achiever. He got A's on all his papers. Achiever. All right, those are your spelling words for the week. So hopefully you wrote them all down the best that you can. Now, please turn the page in your notebook. And if you need to, I want you to write down what your assignment is because it's written in Moodle, but sometimes you guys don't understand. So just to be clear what is going on for your assignment in spelling today, you're going to go to the page that's listed in spelling. Or sorry, you're going to write on a, let me start over. What you're going to do with your spelling today is you're going to use the content words that are written in Moodle. That's what I was trying to say to you. They're the content words from your spelling list. So they're number 13 through 19 that you just wrote down, but they're also listed in Moodle in the assignment, and they're also available at the top of the Moodle spelling section in your spelling list for the week. So the content words, those words include glacier, basin, valley, deepest, terraces, gorges, and broadest. What your assignment is that I would like you to write one sentence for each of those words and type it up, okay? You can type in Word or Google Docs, either way, but you need to submit in Moodle. Don't just email it to me. You need to submit it in Moodle, okay? And you need to type up one sentence that shows me that you understand the meaning of those words. Now, you may not use a sentence that's already given to you in your spelling book, okay? You need to create a sentence that is yours, that is uniquely yours, okay? So you're going to look at the word glacier and you're going to come up with a complete sentence that shows me that you understand the meaning of the word glacier. Same with basin and valley, deepest, terraces, gorges, and broadest. Okay, just those words, not the rest of your spelling words, just those words. I want one sentence for each word that shows me that you understand the meaning of the word. Now remember, in your spelling book online, at the back of your spelling book are definitions of those words. So if you're not sure on the definition, you can go look it up in the dictionary in the back of your book and figure out what it means, but do not copy those sentences. You need to make up a sentence of your own, type it up, and submit it. Okay, if you cannot figure out typing it up, then you may write it, but you need to write it nice and neat. Okay, super neat. I don't want all over the place. And I don't want big letters, small letters, all messy. On a straight line, okay? Nice and neat like fifth graders know how to do. Remember to use good punctuation and grammar because I'll be looking for that, okay? So you want capitals, periods, punctuation, all of that stuff. And obviously you need to have good spelling because this is a spelling assignment, okay? So if you have any questions, let me know. But that's your assignment for today. Just your content words, numbers 13 through 19, one sentence per word, either typed or written really nicely. Okay? That's it. Have a great time.